So it's simple. This one is a little bit more manual, less electronics.
Totally.
So it's more gentle, and so it goes right away.
Okay.
It's very snappy. It's very quick. So let's say you do this, and this is the oversteer, and then the oversteer is induced pretty quickly.
Okay.
So let's say you want to try now oversteer, just go, not much input, let go, or just go.
Yep. Okay.
No hard throttle at all. It's just so smooth. You have to be very smooth with it.
Okay.
Because the car is very reactive in that.
Yeah.
It goes. Simple. You want to be more? It goes.
Okay.
See, the more you go, the more lighter it goes. The more aggressive it goes. And for the donuts, it's very simple. Just trying to do the oversteer, catch it, and then go.